Today we are replacing an electronic load sensor in 2003 Honda Civic. My Honda Civic. I forget the code, I'll put it up on the screen here, but it's a code for Honda when the computer has sensed a fault in the electronic load sensor circuit, I guess. So I didn't know much about this before it happened, so let me tell you what I've figured out. So a good way to measure the load on an electrical system is to measure the current, because the current is directly proportional to the load. So that's pretty much what this does, and it's in the fuse box, which is on the left hand side of the engine compartment. So what I have determined is that the symptoms for this are misfires, which are also codes that this car has. So that leads me to believe that all I have to do is replace this electronic load sensor and I should be good to go. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is actually unplug the battery, disconnect the battery. So now that that's done, we need to remove these two fuses on either side of it. They're just held in by some Phillips heads. So let's be careful when you're removing screws like this. Don't put too much or it's going to slip and strip the screw. So let's see here. Let's just come right out. Man, isn't that tough? So now, underneath that, we have the sensor here. So we're going to pull that up. There's a little plate that goes underneath of it. Okay, I'll try not to get in the way, but there's a little button here on the connector. I'm going to just push it in with this clip, this plate that it came with, and it should come right out. So there's the old one. Let's get the new one. Alright, so now we're gonna... Now there's not much room for this clip, so let's see. How am I gonna do this? So I'm trying something. It's pretty difficult to plug this in. So there are 6 little tabs around this thing. If you just push them in and pull up on one side, and then push the same 3 on the other side in and pull it up, it'll come off. And then on the bottom there is this, can you guys see that? Yeah. On the bottom there's this little thing that comes off here. So what we're going to do is I'm going to see if I can put it in from the bottom. I think that's going to be way easier. I don't think I can, but I think I can at least get more stretch out of the wire if I do it like this. And I can push on it from the bottom. So let's see how easy this is. A little plate. Line it up. So I'm going to push it in and then there we go. Push it in from the bottom. Make sure it's connected. Oh yeah, we're good. That made it way easier. So I'm going to put this bottom back on. Make sure everything snaps in. And then I'm going to put this fuse box back on the little tabs. should just snap into place. So now, I'm just going to pull this up, and I think it went through this way. Yeah. I'm going to put this little plate through, push it down, and now we can put our little fuses back in. I hope that fell all the way down. Yes, I got lucky. Okay, so now we can put this cover back on. And we're going to clear the codes, that should be it. Don't forget to reconnect the battery. Well, that was it. No more codes. We're good to go. Thanks for watching. See you next time.